see me right now, my knees aching so bad.
One million.
Wait. Today, when we are doing the supermarket haul, and for the supermarket haul.
What is that, Tyler?
Don't.
Watch your tone.
Don't touch.
Hi, Faves. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good night. We just got back from the supermarket. How, babe, stop provoking her.
You need to understand who is the stronger.
Baby, we know you're the stronger. Stop provoking, man. That hurt. Bébé.
Mais hier, Tyler, il a dit je pleure pas. Pourquoi il pleure maintenant?
We are provoking. We talk him now.
Let's go.
Leave him, man.
Let's go.
You alright?
No.
What's wrong?
Because of Papa.
Let's go. Tyler, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, c'est parti. Allez.
Anyway, guys.
I'm going to tell the things in French.
Okay.
We start by this side.
Alright, let's start by this. Go back up on your step.
Mama, and also when I say something, you repeat it in English.
Okay.
Banana.
So why this one crush out? Baby, what did you do?
Hein?
What did you do?
Hein?
No! Shh. Mama, it's you.
You know why I'm laughing? Because I went shopping and Babe stayed in the car because we don't want to risk Babe right now. So Babe stayed in the car and I now shopping. So anything I'm going to complain about, it's be on me.
And I'm like you, I'm
Babe,
discovering.
Why did you squeeze up the banana
I'm
like that?
discovering
No, it's
everything
for
that
Mama.
is in the bag right now.
Go.
What is golf?
Is this good?
So why you took that?
Ask your son.
So why you took that, Tyler?
J'avais envie des gaufres. J'en avais envie.
Whatever golf is, I can't translate it in English for you guys because I don't know what it is. It's like waffles.
This is
It is? Okay, golf.
mainly you have it in square.
Alright.
Poulet.
Chicken. What you for? You said you?
Avocat.
I'm controlling just
Mama,
with the.
you said it in English.
Avocado.
I'm the referee. Tyler, don't touch Mama hair.
Plum. Kiwi.
Apple. It's not kiwi.
Plum.
Apple. We have a lot of apples today.
Mama, you're going too fast.
You're going too
We
slow.
have ketchup
You
and we
are
have
going too fast.
sweet peppers. Sweet peppers for Tyler. Tyler said he loves sweet peppers.
No, I don't like sweet
So
pepper.
we're gonna make
Sweet
a
peppers.
sweet peppers sandwich.
Une épaule, sponge. Bread for mama.
Bread.
So babe, I have no idea what we get.
Oh no.
Jus de pomme.
Apple juice
Apple juice.
and pineapple
Soap
juice.
for the dishwasher.
So why you took that? We don't have enough?
No,
Really? You sure you look behind?
we don't have enough.
Okay.
We have enough?
Papa, is this the right one?
No, this one is correct. It's not the one you used to take, but it's correct. It's good too.
The other one is not there, that's why I choose that.
But the only red
That's okay. It's cool. We have 2 oasis. We have another oasis. What is this perfume?
Mama, you're going too fast. Jus de raisin.
Jus de raisin,
You're
grape
going too fast.
juice. We have corn.
Nice.
We have-
But Papa, I look to see if I take the rice, the correct rice.
Oh no.
Lie. Is the correct
You want me to? But I wasn't looking for that.
Oh, that's not what I'm saying. I thought you said it's the wrong one.
Bleu.
So I took 2. You didn't know which one to take, so you.
Crème.
No, I want to take 2.
Okay. So you have,
Maïs.
oh,
You know, like when the toilet smells sweet.
Okay.
Alright, next
Oh, you
one.
got that, Tyler?
C'est pas maïs, c'est pois chiche.
Chickpeas.
Pois chiche.
Tu peux pas lire?
Peach.
Peach, oh mon peach.
Le doré extra.
Le doré extra, c'est le petit beurre pour Sarah et pour maman, parce que maman elle mange que le petit beurre de Sarah. Ah.
C'est marquis.
Oh, mais demain c'est Pâques.
Oui.
Oh.
Non, non, aujourd'hui on est samedi.
Et alors Pâques, c'est pas samedi?
Ah, j'ai oublié que Pâques c'était dimanche et lundi.
Oui.
They're arguing about when is
Mais
Easter.
ça
It's
c'est
Monday
pas
or
pour
Sunday.
Pâques.
C'est pour
Ça
quoi,
c'est
alors?
pour Adam.
Ok.
C'est pour Adam.
That's what one of
Mais
his
c'est pour
friends,
Pâques,
because
c'est
he's
pour
gonna see
Adam
his
à
friend
Pâques.
at the playground tomorrow.
Okay.
I can't of Papa.
Because last time she forgot it.
Crème.
We have crepe here.
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit here.
Céréales pour tailleur.
He's a cereal.
Tyler always wants cereal. Once you get one, then after you don't want anymore. Story of Tyler.
Snack.
And story of my life because I have to finish
I did this
everything.
again.
Pain.
Till the bottom and it's push.
So what's wrong with you? So
And you know, in the cart I deliberately put it on the top. But because we pack in the bag and I give Tyler all the snacks, I give him this one first and it's push again. This bread is so soft. If you touch it, it didn't. Babe, why you squish the bread like this?
No.
why do you have this on top of you now?
There's enough. Tyler, there's something on my
Yes, look,
No.
something white here.
Lie.
Mama, if you squash it. Mama,
You're so lying.
if you squash it.
It's not me go
Yes,
shopping, it's
Tyler.
Papa.
Give
No,
Mama
it's
a red.
you.
Give Mama
It's you.
Tyler, don't undress Mama.
Because it's you.
You don't do
It's
that.
you. It's you. It's you.
Yeah, Miss Slappy on the cut.
Yeah, remember somebody's sleeping?
No.
My sister sleeping. Happy nice.
You tapping eyes. Ooh, my head is
Celery.
itching now.
Courgette.
We have zucchini.
Courgette.
That is zucchini. She used to take zucchini as
Gingembre.
like a spaghetti zucchini.
Celery.
Yeah,
No,
but
that's not
That's
celery.
That's kale.
That's kale.
Kale
Cal.
to kale. Kale is the worst of
That's
everything.
Cal.
go eat it and drink it. What is this, Stella?
Cal.
No.
I don't know.
Read.
Épinard.
Épinard.
Spinach.
So she took this before.
Épinard.
I remember when we did this,
Carrot.
that was the worst.
If babe could have just look past the taste of some things and just eat it.
I heard that poop is very good for the health, so I can go over the test and feel the benefit
You
for my
guys,
body.
last week I make a nice tall jug of beetroot and carrot and ginger and lemon.
I make every day a
So
nice tall
good.
glass of poop, and you don't even taste it. You waste it.
He did.
You waste it.
He tastes me. Me say, hello, give me my juice and don't waste it. And I did enjoy it. And guess what? I went back to my fruits and vegetable
What is
store.
that?
And you know what is this? A bag of beetroot. I'm going to make some more beetroot and carrot juice. And I'm not looking at him. Guys, can you tell? No, put fun and joke aside. If you research beetroot, it's good for your heart, you know. True.
I don't
You see?
like beetroot.
See him? Him know what drinking, him know what nothing to do with it.
I don't like beetroot.
Tell him I like it either.
Coming to party.
Come. Come, let's finish up. Babe, no like nothing that good for him. Nothing. If
No.
babe never catch COVID, babe wouldn't that drink green juice every day, no.
Bleu.
You wait until it's too late. Oh,
Poulet.
it's true.
We have chicken wing.
Poulet.
Chicken wing. We have shrimp.
Saumon. Saumon.
Watch him look at the price. Is he look at the price?
Because then you say you don't know what you took, that makes it expensive. I know what you took.
Marron suie.
Thank you, Tyler.
What's dropping?
I think it's just water.
It must be from one of those.
Yeah. We have chicken breast here.
Papa.
Do the chicken.
Me not no time for the lunch.
Calico.
Exactly.
Calico.
Chicken do cocorico, no.
Calico.
And I'm out of frozen fruits, so I got strawberry and mango.
Why out of frozen fruits while I don't get none?
So when you're at work, when I eat, I make smoothie. You think maybe if I come home from
Papa?
No,
Papa?
sir.
Papa?
Lucky.
Papa?
Yes,
Je te
Tyler.
présente mon nouveau yaourt.
Oh, that's what you wanted today? Okay, it's good. You just get what you wanted. There's some more stuff here, Tyler. Give me your...
Non, ça va.
Tyler, shh.
You're gonna sleep with it?
I
No.
got cucumber. You guys, I went to my fruit and vegetable store that I would normally find breadfruit. And the breadfruit, them little so.
A little bit, a
You just
little.
cut me head
Little
past
like
them.
a little one. This?
No, vex.
Look at me.
Salad.
Like
I was going to buy
like
a
little
fish.
one. Little one.
I was going to buy a big fish, but I changed my mind.
Mama. Papa.
You
Today.
let me change my mind and you message me and say I have to
Oh.
tell you the cashier. I said, I'm ready. Me not go, but I go back road.
Yeah, of course. I was ready. Yes, Tyler.
You need to do rock, paper, scissors.
No,
For
no,
what?
no, no,
Yes,
no.
yes.
The
For
one that when we'll cook it dinner in 3 parts. If at the 3rd part both of you did the same thing.
You playing for Papa. Me and you. Come.
Ah! No, I said 3 parts.
He said it.
Ah!
Tyler, you. How you pay?
Mama,
Yes.
let's do again 3 parts.
No, that's 2-0.
Ah!
2-1. Mama win 3-2. Mama win 4-2.
You can't beat me again.
5-2 for Mama. Tyler, you're loser. You're in a substitution. You need to go in the corner.
You lose your winning
Mama,
today, yes?
let's do it.
No, it's the winner. The one who win now win everything.
Let me do your dance. Let me. After the dance that you always do.
It's a monkey dance.
You lose?
Mama,
Alright, Tyler, you're a
let's
loser.
do
You need to go in
another
your bed.
part.
Okay, if you lose, Tyler, you're going to nap. Right away. You're going to nap, Tyler.
No,
Leave me by
it's not real. It's not real.
Alright, I am going to nap because obviously Tyler lose for me, so I'm going to take the nap.
You're not stopping.
Mama.
Anyway, you guys, I win today. I feel like a champion. Sarah, sleep. Go watch your tablet.
Mama, let's do this.
Watch him. Mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's do this.
You're not stopping.
No, because you win every time. Because when I do paper, you are continuing. You are doing scissors like that. You can beat me. You're cheating, cheater. So I win because you're cheating. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Who's cheating?
Oh.
Alright, finish. Go watch the tablet. 1, 2.
Mama.
You guys, this is what I made for dinner today. I didn't show you guys the process, but you guys get the gist. Pumpkin,
Mama, can I have
chicken
Mikado?
soup. Yes, girl. Please, did you say please?
Can I have me candle, please?
Sure. Dinner is done. And everybody's here just scrolling around, snacking. I need to adjust your eye. Let me touch it. Tell me how it feel. It hurt?
It hurt
A little bit or a lot?
a lot.
Got little miss in our car.
Sarah.
How are you look at me? How are you look at me?
Because I can. You're still having a headache?
Je vais faire la
Yeah,
moitié.
tablet. You know what
J'ai
is
un
scary?
cadeau et j'ai envie de partager avec Sarah. Donner à Sarah.
Sarah, say please.
Je vais donner à moi.
Say please. Sarah, say please.
Sarah un morceau et je prends un morceau.
Demande à Sarah quand tu lui donnes.
Tyler, you have to let she say please before you give her something.
Okay.
You see her? Badass, you know?
Really badass.
Badass that man. How she run this house? Where she going? Feisty, she feisty.
She's a little girl.
So,
The difference between a boy and a girl, you have it in front of you.
whatever.
You see how quiet and nice is Tyler.
You're right.
How badass she is. That's the girl, that's the boy.
Ooh, my God, that a warrior, she beat down everybody that is. What?
Future star. No? Future star.
Tell more water. I didn't give you no yogurt today. Ah! Look up. You didn't say the ABC for faves today. You want to say ABC for faves? Look up.
A, B, A, B, C, D.
E, R, E, H, I, M, A, U, H, E, B,
W, X, Y, and
Z.
Z.
A, B, C, D, E, M,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Tell faves night night. Tell them
Bye
bye bye.
bye.
Look up. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Give them kiss. Mwah. Give them. You want juice? Juice, please. 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 No juice. You just get water. Give them kiss. Mwah.
Quack, 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 quack.
Tell them night night. Say bye bye. My eyes, I'm so tired that I can't even open my eyes properly.
Yeah, why you are waiting midnight to end the vlog?
Because I always forget to end the vlog before.
Had a good day?
End the vlog. How are you?
I'm okay today. I'm okay.
Today you're okay. I haven't heard you complain much today.
Did you hear me complaining yesterday?
Not complaining, but that's not the word. I didn't hear you
No, I
mention it
just
much.
felt. I just after. I think it was after dinner. I just didn't feel too good. But it is the mixed feeling with
Headache.
headache. I have a big headache actually, so it's not easy. But I'm okay. While you were at the supermarket, I was pushing Sarah, and I felt very good at this time. So yeah.
You're pushing
Good.
Sarah. We're in the garage.
Yeah, I was in the 4th floor.
Oh, you walk all the way
Yeah, I
up?
went all the way up where there's almost no car there, and I was walking, and she was having fun with me. Yeah, you know, if I was waiting 1 hour, she would start to cry. So anyway, you had a good day?
Yeah, I always have an exhausting day. It's not easy when I don't have you to help me to do something.
That's when you don't have me that you realize the valuable of my help.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Anyway, you guys, go ahead.
Lesson learned. You better enjoy every little things while you have them.
Oh yes, you annoying ass, you good ass, you spoiled ass, you healthy ass.
My stinky ass. You forget that one. Or you just didn't want you to say it.
You're too terrible. You don't want to hear that. You're terrible. You're so terrible.
Anyway, guys, I hope you had all a good day tomorrow.
Today.
Tomorrow is Easter. Today's the Easter weekend. So yeah, I hope you had a great Good Friday. I hope you have a great Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. So yeah, don't eat much chocolate.
But eat lots of bun and cheese.
But no, eat more chocolate than bun and cheese.
Jamaicans, we don't do chocolate on Easter.
They better change the tradition.
That's the tradition in France on Easter.
No, they better
chocolate.
start to eat chocolate and throw away the bun and cheese.
You guys don't have any Easter food apart from chocolate? Like meal, what you guys eat during Easter like we have bun and cheese? Baby, stop doing answer the
Chocolate,
question.
we say.
Apart from chocolate, that's it?
Chocolate.
Okay, more chocolate.
Yes.
Suppose you guys in the supermarket with chocolate. I didn't know that French could eat more chocolate than they already eat.
Chocolate. Chocolate and Christmas. Chocolate store. If you take away Christmas and Easter, in 2 weeks they do more than the rest of the year. Yes, we love chocolate, and we do good chocolate here, and I think France and Switzerland and Belgium, we're good
with chocolate.
Yeah, I think Belgium and Switzerland more famous, but
oh really?
Yeah, Switzerland very famous, and Belgium too.
Oh cool.
Yeah.
Alright guys,
They're
hope you guys
good.
enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. I am tired and I'm going to bed, so we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.